Geography in 21st Century Skills looks at ways to enhance classroom geography and skills relative to the demands of the 21st century. We first must look at geography's major contributions for the 21st century skills development, and this can be viewed through three lenses: scholarship, stewardship, and citizenship. Scholarship reflects geography's continued quest for knowledge about Earth and its systems using the most appropriate technologies. Digital information and virtual representations of Earth and its systems are commonly applied in geographic scholarship. Stewardship reflects the concerns for the positive relationship between people and the environment through sustainable interaction. Responding to challenges of global changes in climate, population changes, natural resources availability, and land use are within the realm of stewardship. Citizenship reflects equipping every person with the necessary 21st century skills and access to information that will enable them to become responsible and effective in their active roles as citizens. In 1956, Benjamin Bloom headed a group of educational psychologists who developed a classification of levels of intellectual behavior important in learning. During the 1990s, a new group of cognitive psychologists, led by Lauren Anderson, a former student of Bloom, updated the taxonomy to reflect relevance to 21st century work. The highest of these intellectual behavior traits needed for 21st century skills are creating and evaluating. Today's geography and 21st century skill objectives involve having students evaluate information critically and competently and use information accurately and creatively for the issue or problem at hand. A sample objective when using geography and 21st century skills is having a student evaluate and then explain how the shape of a country may affect political cohesiveness or a sense of civic attachment to the larger political unit. This objective can also meet the preceding levels of intellectual behavior needed in the 21st century. This includes analyzing information. One way the example does this is having students compare and contrast the shapes of different countries like Japan, Italy, and Egypt, noticing whether these countries are a scattered group of islands, unified geographically, or elongated. Discussion is found in the understanding trait of Bloom's. For our example, students discuss with the then problems that might arise when providing government services within compact countries and how they compare to countries that have their territories scattered. The student can also discuss how the use of the World Wide Web, cell phones, and other mediums help the flow of civic information for countries of various geographic shapes and sizes. Overall, the study of the spatial relationships among the components of the human and physical systems is enhanced by using the latest and most reliable geographic information available through technology. The opportunities by students and geographers to observe, synthesize, and present data from satellites, ground stations, and local observations represent collaborative processes within geography that are adding value to a wide range of interdisciplinary studies in the 21st century.